Hello, my name is Karen Yelitza Lopez Rodriguez, ID 775967. Activity 3. What am I doing? Okay, my daily routine in present continuous. First, I am studying on the computer and then I am reading my college notes. Then I go to do my homework. In the first and second pictures, I am cleaning my room and hanging out the wet clothes, and washing and cleaning the kitchen. And then I am playing with my favorite stuffed animal and playing with my cousin. Then I spend the whole afternoon watching movies. At night, I am playing board games with my friends and eating pizza and soda. Thank you. Goodbye.